Hello, this information is for Elon Musk or his team or whoever. Okay, so I put a link in the description. I don't work on this stuff that you see in the description anymore. I'm not that interested in it, but I have a lot of the reports and documents, so something your team might want to pursue. All I need help with is, well, this whole system here, which I'm replicating. I need resources to get more of this type stuff as well as other weird and wonderful things to get that running again. And I have had it running again. I'll put two links in to the video of the energy device that you may be interested in, as well as my internet movie database profile. I understand when you get up in sort of famous, everybody wants to contact you and that kind of thing. It's basically the same problem, but I answer some, ignore most. So anyway, I appreciate your time and effort, and if anything comes of this fail, I have a lot of documentation from different countries on the energy device. It's called the power cell, and there's a low not advanced model, then there's the advanced model which people funded, and well, I have to say famous names, and I won't mention the names, but about five funders over the years who actually gave me favorable reports on their adventures with me, and were very happy, but could not find secondary funders. They were tested at Kyoto Institute of Technology and other places, and X-rayed and all that. Canadian Research and Development folks didn't know what to do with it, suggested the military, but anyway, all that takes time. It's been a while, so anyway, I appreciate your time. I may look like an idiot here, but that's okay. I like looking like an idiot and a little nutty, but that's okay with me too, so thank you for your time, and I just want to get this running again, this whole system here, which is pretty massive so far, but still looking for pieces and parts. It's kind of costly, but I'm getting there. Anyway, thanks for your time. Take in consideration, plus I have a scientist friend who would help in, actually, Dr. Marcus Reed in Germany, who would help in the science of it and writing papers on it as well. So thanks a lot. Take care, and thank you for your time. Cheerio.